Okay, so day 3 with the aquaponics setup. As you can see, I got the filters, or the bell siphons up and running. It's cool. I still need to adjust the flow on these to get it down perfect, so by the time it empties, it will start filling again. What I've done is I've connected these 2 totes here so I could do that, and the siphon actually works pretty good at keeping up. There's a slight difference. This one will be maybe 1/4 to a 1/2 inch higher in water, but I don't think that's going to matter so much. And as you can also see, there's a small leak here, but I'm sure I could fix that with another layer of gasket. For the gaskets, what I did, I had a terrible time at my local Lowe's trying to find bulkhead things. I looked in the drain section. I was looking everywhere. I asked the employees. They were relatively clueless. So I asked them about gaskets. They directed me to this stuff. It's, I don't know, about 3/16 rubber. It's very soft, very pliable. I used a hole saw, drilled those, and then I would just cut those out and use those as gaskets. It works fantastic. So I figured, since, as you can see, that one's sitting at a bit of an angle, I think that's what's causing it. I will just add a gasket on the outside as I did over there. There's already one on the inside. Alright, going around. See the dripping? That's from the siphon priming hole, which I will show as soon as these things are empty. Try to zoom in here. Alright, and for the first hole that I cut through this the styrofoam material, what I did was I used a 2.5 inch hole saw. I would not recommend using a hole saw. That was a pain in the ass, because hole saws, as you know, are only about yay deep. I can actually show you here. But it would bottom out, and then I would have to pull that chunk out, do it again, pull that chunk out, do it again. I wound up doing it 4 times to get through this roughly 6-inch layer of styrofoam. So for the second hole, I just got out my Sawzall and just cut a square. No problem. I did level them. I just used some slats from the siding of the hot tub, and it's going to work for now. It's not permanent. It's going to start draining soon, and I'm going to shut it off to get maximum effect.
That's draining.
Draining? As you can see, that's a pretty good flow. It's only 3/4 inch pipe inside the siphon. I think if I ever did this again, I would possibly move to 1 inch to 1.25 inch, 1.5 somewhere. But that's only because if it was just draining 1 tote, it would be outstanding. But since I'm draining 2 totes with 1 drain, it just takes a little longer than I would have liked. the pump is still running. I shut it off at the ball valves, but I still left 2 circulatory valves down there. So that will also, I believe, stir up the fish waste in the bottom and allow me to suck up maximum so there won't be deposits left. Because it's still circulating like a hot tub would. There's Leonard again, coming up to say hi. I gotta clean all this styrofoam out of the water from me cutting that. That was poor judgment. But as you can see, they drain relatively even. That drain stopped working. I need to fill it again. That one's still going good. I will keep you updated. I hope to plant tomorrow and add fish.